Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and you know what? I'm not stuck at home. I'm staying home because I want to stay home. I feel like staying home. I'm doing it in protest. You know, like John Lennon and Yoko Ono did their protest in the 1970s of the Vietnam War by staying in bed. Well, I'm staying home until they put yo-yos in the Olympics. That's right. And now it's been delayed a year, so there's still time. I want yo-yos in the Olympics. That's what I want, and I'm staying at home until they put yo-yos in the Olympics. This is my Skyva by Magic Yo-Yo, and you know, being at home is not so bad. It's actually pretty fun since I'm staying at home on purpose. It's pretty fun. I'm having fun with my yo-yo. As a matter of fact, I'm having more fun than a barrel of monkeys. More fun than a barrel of monkeys. And this trick that I'm about to do is called barrel rolls. So check it out. It looks pretty cool. This is barrel rolls, and it can be done in reverse too. It's pretty fun. Good trick, looks good. Pretty easy to pull off. That's barrel rolls. Thanks everybody for watching. Magic Matt, Blinky.com. You smell great. See you next time.